Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prerna here and this is my channel Moctail Beauties 2017. Today I'm going to prepare another beautiful and delicious dish, which is brinjal curry or brinjal gravy. This goes well with chapati, rice and puri. So let's get in with the ingredients now. First we need brinjal, ginger garlic paste, some mustard seeds and urad dal, salt, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, onions, coriander, curry leaves, oil and water. Now let's start with the recipe. So guys, let's start with the recipe now. Before going to my recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment below if you have any suggestions and share it with your friends. Thank you. And now let's start it. Let's switch on the flame. Let's put some oil, around 2 tablespoons of oil. Let's add in mustard seeds and urad dal. Let's sort this so that mustard seeds get splattered. You can hear this splattering sound. Now let's add in curry leaves. Let's sort this also. Let's sort this till urad dal gets golden brown. Let's add in onions. Let's sort this for around 2 minutes. Let's sort this for 2 minutes till the onions gets golden brown. Now let's add in ginger garlic paste. Let's salt this also for one minute. For this, let's medium the flame and let's add in brinjal. I've taken around 6 to 7 brinjals here, medium size 6 to 7 brinjals. So now let's stir this. Let's mix this with the onions. So now you can see the brinjal has changed its color. So now let's add in other spices. Now I'm adding in red chili powder, around 1 spoon. Coriander powder, 2 spoons. Salt. And turmeric powder. Now let's sort this. You can increase or decrease spices for your taste. Now let's mix this nicely and sort it. Okay. The brinjal is nicely mixed with the masala. Now let's add in water. Okay, this is enough. Now let's mix this again. Now let's hide the flame. I'll add some more water for this. That's enough. Let this come to a boil. You can see it is coming to a boil here. Let's stir it again. Now let's close the lid. And leave the brinjal to cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. You can see the brinjal is nicely cooked and left nice. It is giving nice aroma and all. If you want, you can leave this like this itself, or I prefer it for gravy chapati and for chapati. So I'll try this nicely. I'll keep this in high flame and try this. If you prefer with the gravy like this, you can leave it at this stage itself. Adding coriander. I prefer it a little dry, so I'll try it with keeping it in high flame. Now you can see it is almost dried up. So now it is almost ready. Now let's add in the coriander leaves. Let's stir this. Now the brinjal gravy is ready. Let's switch off the flame. Now the brinjal gravy is ready. You can have this with roti, puri and rice also. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like my channel, share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. Thank you.